The new age tech space is looking like a very hot space right now because Paytm founder ups his stake in the company, Zomato continues the upward journey, while Meesho turns profitable and eyes IPO in the years to come. Sharad is here to bring us a roundup of all the action from the new age tech stocks. Let's go across and listen in.
Well, yes, in focus, we are having the new age tech stocks, be the listed or the unlisted space. And the entire focus has been on cost reduction and focusing on unit economics as well as maximizing their overall margin and the PAT profile. Now, important announcement coming in, Paytm achieved their operating profitability guidance 3 quarters before what their guidance was, and this was achieved in the third quarter of FY23. While recently Zomato also turned profitable for the first time since listing for the first quarter of FY24. Apart from Paytm and Zomato, we also have Nykaa, which the company itself has been profitable since its listing days. But there are two companies, especially in the listed space, which is PBfintech and Delivery, which are still under their progress for their path to profitability. Apart from this, Meesho, which is expected to come in for the IPO for the next 12 to 8 months, they also delivered in a statement that for the month of July itself, they have turned PAT positive. So a slew of important announcements coming in where unicorns and large tech companies which are listed are showing their path to profitability. Now, of course, the important reason is the cost-cutting measures are being undertaken and a lot of acquisitions are also being written off as well. Apart from this, going into the details, do remember Paytm's EBITDA before the ESOP adjustment has been positive for the last 3 quarters, and also Nykaa is expecting that the costs, they're expected to come down by 10% going forward. But there are two companies which are having the status in the progress, and I'd like to point out Policy Bazaar, we are expecting at least 2 to 3 years, then the profitability will hit the company. And lastly, Delivery, recently they came out with their numbers as well. The numbers were largely in line with what the street was expecting, and they expect that they aim to be profitable in the next few quarters. However, if you look at their express business, they are already profitable in that segment.